Welcome to China EV Daily, August 15, 2025. Here is your update. Is Volkswagen China now running a different brain than Wolfsburg in software and electronics? Yes, by design. On August 15th, XPeng and Volkswagen expanded their deal. The jointly developed China Electronic Architecture, or CEA, will power not only Volkswagen's EVs in China, but also its gasoline and plug-in hybrid models. Timing: first CEA EVs in 2026, then ICE and PHEV rollouts from 2027. Think of CEA as the car's central nervous system, a zonal architecture that replaces dozens of scattered ECUs with a few domain controllers plus a central computer. So OTA updates, cockpit features, and driver assist can scale like phone software. Why now? Because a single software, electronic space across EV, PHEV, and ICE lets Volkswagen ship features once and deploys them across the whole China lineup. It also targets the cost curve. Volkswagen's China plan calls for around 40% cost reduction versus today's baseline, largely by cutting control units, simplifying wiring, and localizing the platform. Development time is also guided down about 30%. That is the difference between nice demo and China's speed scale. Execution capacity? The two companies already set up joint project houses in Guangzhou and Hefei, integrated teams, co-located to push CEA into production. The first CEA Volkswagen-branded EVs in China are slated for 2026. Extending the same electronic stack to ICE and PHEV from 2027 means one operating layer. For the whole showroom, not EVs can do it, gasoline cars can't. What changes for drivers? If Volkswagen executes, you should see faster, unified OTA, a common eye-assisted UX, and N08 ADAS features arriving at the brand level, not car by car. For a market where PHEVs and ICE still sell in large numbers, bringing CEA to those models prevents a split experience and lifts brand perception across the board. This isn't a split brand. It's in China. For China taken to its logical end, one brain for all powertrains, built with XPeng and tuned for China's cadence. If the 2026 to 2027 milestones land, the phrase China Volkswagen will mean software parity across the lineup, not just on EVs. You've been watching China EV Daily. Subscribe for daily China EV updates.